YouTube channel, Mario's Tech. Most of our friends have started using this new WhatsApp feature of uploading their status and then setting them to go public. This is how we're going to do it. So let me show you that this WhatsApp on this phone does not have that feature, and I'm going to make sure that they have that feature. So we're going to come, open your WhatsApp, and then once you open your WhatsApp, we're going to press add status, and then we're going to come and press any of the status you want. Now once I come where you see status, and then I'm going to be seeing only these three options. So if I want to add that option of going to public, simply I'm going to come to my Google Play Store, and then in Google Play Store I'm going to come where there is this search, and then I will search for WhatsApp application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share it to your friend, and if you're on this YouTube channel, like for more tech tutorials like this. So we're going to search for WhatsApp Messenger, and we're going to press this button which is update. Make sure that you have a running active data bundle that can facilitate the process of updating WhatsApp. So give it some few seconds to update. So as you see, it has started and it's about to complete. So it's about to complete. Let us give it some few seconds to complete. Once it is done updating, just press the open button and repeat the other steps I showed you earlier. You'll be seeing that option, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Mario's Tech, and I sign out.